Join us on the channel as we unveil the breathtaking 2025 Alfa Romeo Alfetta Coupe. This masterpiece seamlessly blends Italian flair, exceptional performance, and cutting-edge technology. Let's delve into its remarkable features. The Alfetta Coupe's design is a testament to Alfa Romeo's legacy and innovative spirit. Its sleek silhouette, curved contours, and assertive stance pay homage to iconic Alfa Romeo coupes while incorporating modern touches and meticulous attention to detail. The exterior is a work of art, featuring Alfa Romeo's signature grille, LED headlights, and a sleek hood that creates a bold front end. The profile is equally impressive, with a sloping roofline, pronounced wheel arches, and 20-inch wheels that perfectly fill the fenders. Inside, the Alfetta Coupe is a luxurious haven. Premium leather seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen create a driver-focused cockpit that balances comfort and functionality. Under the hood, the Alfetta Coupe boasts a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 503 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, this car is a true driving enthusiast's delight. What sets the Alfetta Coupe apart is its advanced all-wheel drive system, capable of sending up to 50% of the engine's torque to the front wheels for enhanced traction and stability. Additionally, semi-autonomous driving capabilities make it a pioneer in its segment. Pricing for the 2025 Alfa Romeo Alfetta Coupe starts at $83,000 for the base model, with the top-of-the-line Quadrifoglio trim beginning at $110,000. With its exceptional performance, luxurious interior, and advanced technology, this car is an unbeatable value. That concludes our review of the 2025 Alfa Romeo Alfetta Coupe. This car is a true masterpiece, combining Italian design, exceptional performance, and advanced technology. If you're in the market for a new car, don't miss out on this opportunity.